You've seen the video, a tragic story flooding the internet, shared by millions. The world is mourning a Marine trainer named Jessica Radcliffe. But what if we told you it's all a lie, a sophisticated deception crafted by artificial intelligence, and we use that same technology to prove it? First, the visual evidence. We analyze the footage for physical inconsistencies. AI video generators, even advanced ones, often struggle with complex water dynamics. Using principles from forensic tools like InVID, we can see the lighting on the subject is inconsistent with the environment. It's a digital puppet on a digital stage. Next, the audio. We ran the soundtrack through an AI speech classifier, similar to the technology used by companies like ElevenLabs to identify synthetic audio. The analysis revealed the truth. The screams lacked the organic micro-tremors of a real human voice. It was generated, not recorded. Finally, the digital footprint. We used an AI search engine, like Perplexity AI, to scan news archives, employment records, and social media for any trace of Jessica Radcliffe. So, how can you spot these fakes? Start with simple tools. Use a reverse image search on key frames from the video. Look for the original source. Question the source. Is it a reputable news organization? Cross-reference the story with trusted fact-checking sites. Look for the digital breadcrumbs. AI is not the enemy. It's a tool. Its power to create is matched only by its power to deceive. The choice of how we use it is ours. Here at Nexus AI, we choose to understand it, to stay ahead of the curve. If you want to master the technology that is shaping our world, join the Nexus.